So guys, today I build a car. First we need this and this there. This we need put in there. Waiting. There. And this we need this we need there. Thank you for watching.